Hey there, my friend. It's Joanna Seguero, and I just want to first thank you for signing up for your free guidebook on how to grow and scale your business and automate it, and all the important things that you need for your business. Now, you might have come across this video. You might have come across me through Instagram or through another website or something like that. But if you're here, I'm assuming that you are ready to take your business to the next level, to learn more, to grow more, to understand more about your business and how to build a profitable business. If you don't know me, my name is Joanna, and I am a mom, I'm a wife, I have a 2-year-old son. He is the cutest little thing. And I just love to be able to be at home, stay at home with my son, and work from the comfort of my home. And I come from a network marketing background, so I know all about the hosting parties and talking to your friends and family and all that stuff. And I definitely believe that it can work for some people, and that some people like that. They enjoy it and they find joy in doing that kind of stuff. But for me, I know that there had to be an easier way. It's not my cup of tea of hosting parties and doing that stuff. If that is your thing and it's working for you, keep doing it. I'm not going to discourage you from doing something that's working for you. But because it wasn't working for me, and because I like to work smarter, not harder, I knew there had to be something else out there that could help me build a business and even help me build my network marketing business, and virtually any business that I choose to go into, and to really do it online, have an online business. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. And I truly believe that you're here for a reason. I don't believe in coincidences. And if you're like me and you're someone who you want to work hard, you want to make an income virtually online, from the comfort of your home, it is possible. I'm telling you here that it is possible. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. And what I'm going to show you, you can use it, build an online business, or you can take the information and use it in your current business, whatever you're doing right now. So this is for virtually anybody who wants to make an income online. So with that being said, keep an eye out in your email inbox for your free book, and keep an eye out because I'm going to be sending you great, valuable content that is going to transform your business and is going to let you in on some secrets, okay? Let you in on some secrets that I feel like a lot of people hoard. They hoard their secrets, and I don't understand why. It's just like, just tell people what you're doing, but it's just one of those things. A lot of gurus out there are just wanting to make a quick buck off of you, unfortunately. They won't tell you certain things unless you buy their course or buy their product first. But I'm all about giving you the inside secrets, telling you how it is, and you can go and make that decision if you want to make it. You can go and make that decision of buying whatever you want to buy if that is your decision, but there's no holding back any secrets in this thing, okay? And plus, what I'm going to be showing you is going to get you connected to a 7-earner, 8-earner coach, a personal coach that is going to coach you, people who are making money online, who are doing this. And I have one. He's incredible. His name is Andy. He's an incredible 7-figure earner, and he has been helping me so much, giving me so much value. and he's there for me. I'm able to book an appointment with him, and he's ready to, you know, pour into me. And so that's exactly what you'll be getting as well. You'll be getting a coach, and you need that. You need a coach. You need a support system to, you know, be successful. Like, yes, you can do it on your own, but it's so much more difficult when you have a coach. It makes it so much better because you're learning and growing from someone who's been there, done that, and is able to guide you in the right direction. That's something that I feel like I lacked very much, was a motivator, someone who has been there, been through all the things, went through the learning curve, and is able to now pour into me. And that is exactly what you'll be getting. You'll be getting connected to a 7-earner, 8-earner, 6-earner, figure earner coach, personalized for you. Incredible people truly have a desire to help people build a business in whatever business that you're in. They truly have a heart to help you, and I just love that. So anyways, thanks for stopping by. In the next video, if you click the link, click to get started, I'm going to show you how exactly to utilize a system that works. It's a system that you can use, that you can bring into whatever business that you're in, or into a particular business that I'm doing, and it'll show you what we're doing here, what I'm doing and stuff, and I'm loving it, I'm enjoying it, and I totally recommend it. So I'm going to introduce you to my mentor, the CEO of this company. His name is Dave Sharp. He's incredible. So meet my friend Dave, click the link below to get started, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind away. I pray that you would just be open and know that there's so much more out there than just what everyone has been telling you. Trust me, I've been there. I've opted into so many email lists because people, you know, all the hype of you need this, you need that, you know, and so I have all these email lists of what I need and what do I not need, and this just gives you step by step what you need, what you don't need, and it is just so clear. So just watch the video, click the link to get started. You'll see what I'm saying. If you have any questions for me, always reach out to me. Plus, you know, I'm going to be here all along the way in this journey with you. Okay, mama friend, if you're a mama friend, if you're a girlfriend, but super excited to see you get started and to start building the income of your dreams. So talk to you soon.